Before moving to Idaho almost 20 years ago, I started my career as a CPA, then I practiced law, and then I was the CEO of an international textile company. And I was always learning how to better serve people and operate a company. In pursuit of creating this company culture, we've been blessed with the trust and support we've received from our customers and community. And I'm very proud of what we have accomplished over the years as a team. Looking all the way back to before it all started, the best decision we made was moving to Idaho.
What makes CTR different? I think we are constantly trying to do better every month.
We do good work, and we're trusted. Just in the last month, maybe 2 months, I've had twice an adjuster would call me out to look at somebody else's work and to give a validation whether I thought they were doing it right and charging a fair price. And so that shows the trust that the insurance companies have in us.
We look at every part of the company and where can we fix things, where can we do things a lot better. And we're just always collaborating and working together and always striving to just be better every time.
We take every feedback, every questionnaire that we get back, we look at it carefully, and then we say, what do we need to do?
Our family has stayed as the owners of CTR for so long because we just really believe in what the company stands for and what the company does. So CTR is really enjoying the opportunity to celebrate 25 years in business, and there's one thing I can guarantee you, we're not going anywhere.